Just because you're a filthy piece of shit, that doesn't mean your truck has to be as well. Today, I'm gonna be completely stripping this interior and rebuilding it better than factory. I'm talking new door cards, new carpets instead of this old vinyl, new floor mats, deep clean of the seat, replacement plastics for these old cracked pieces of shit, all these missing pads, pieces, worn out vents, old switchgear, stuck knobs, everything's being deep cleaned or replaced. Even new speakers. Let's see what goodies the previous owner left us. A coupon to Wiener Schnitzel. We have dirty operating room towel, a glove, trash. Look at that. A full day pass to Schweitzer. A really rusty trailer hitch, a bag, an entire stack of pre-banned plastic bags. That's rare. And I think that's it. Oh, that's pretty damn nasty. I got 30 cents in here though. Oh, there's another 10 cents, 40 cents, and a sesame seed bun lid. I found me panel clip remover. I've used it to remove a panel clip. This thing is completely filled with a trough of dirt. It's like compost that's going in the gross pile. Look at all this shit under the 4x4 selector. I mean, I don't understand how it gets like that. That's horrific. It's gonna take me all day to deep clean all of this garbage. Take out this nasty, mildewy garbage. No, this is going straight in the garbage. It smells fucking awful. I'll have to clean to get a better idea because there's literal mud in here, but I don't think this rust is that bad. It's very bubbly surface level, so it's going to take a little bit of cleaning and sealing, but nothing looks like I need to replace material. It looks like they actually piled mud in here. Like you could grow plants in this. I found a 22 LR casing. Let's see what that is. Super X. I'm pretty sure that's Winchester Super X. So somebody was doing something in here. And of course, new shifter linkage bushings. Okay, I finally got it back together. Apparently it has to be in neutral when you take this thing out or you completely fuck up the transmission. You gotta go in there and stick a bunch of things in there. We're good. The rust repair and my shifter linkages are all rebuilt. Now to clean everything. Before and after. Don't look at it too close. Paying money to replace these nasty door vapor barriers? Nope, we got a trash bag and some aluminum duct tape. And static keeps it up against the door as I trace and cut. Now the door's all sealed up and it cost me pretty much nothing. This gauge lens is disgusting, but also when you take the lens off, how is there dust inside there? How? Couldn't find my goddamn flashlight, and I was like, wait, wasn't I using on the door? Yeah. It's like that one Edgar Poe thing about the cask of Amontillado or some shit, where he steals the motherfucker inside of a wine thing. How do I get this out? I'm about 24 hours into this project now, but everything that needs to be done when the truck is apart is done. Everything is cleaned, everything is sealed up, everything is lubricated, painted, whatever had to be done is now done. So I just put it back together now. Let's do it. I laid my new carpet out to flatten out a little bit, and the cats got to it. So it's covered in cat fur and cardboard pieces from cat scratchers. Carpet is really heavy because it's got mass loaded vinyl on the back, which is good for sound deadening, but it's kind of a bitch to work with. I'm bleeding and in pain, but the carpet is in. I got my shifters all painted and buffed and polished. I mean, it's still a truck. There's still a little play in here, but that is a new shifter linkage, bushings. This thing is functional. Now it's time for all the finishing touches and trim. I got new rubber pedals. See, I already put the e-brake one on there. Let's get going. I've got a rubber bumper. I'm gonna place the rubber bumper on the pedal. Oh God, this is gonna need 2 hands. I'm gonna need 2 hands to get this fucking rubber on here. It's fucking tighter than shit. I've been working on this truck without human contact for about 8 hours today. Humans are for pussies, but truck is alive. The truck is everything I need. I have a new blinker stock. It goes... Alrighty, I got the cat installed. Seems to be pretty happy. Just had some parts show up. Here's the old nasty door card. And here's our new one. Going with black over nasty gray. It's easier to keep clean. It's a little bit thinner than factory, but it'll do just fine. Now let's go ahead and drill a hole in this for a tweeter with this angle grinder hole saw thing that I just put together. It's kind of sketchy. Man, I fucking hope this works. Oh, cool. Neat. The tweeter is fouling on the door panel here, so I'm just gonna take my little adjuster. And gently adjust that panel. Look at that! It fits. It's perfect. I got the passenger door sealed up, and before I seal up the driver's side door, I'll show you what I got. I got my tweeter here, and of course my crossover assembly bullshit there, woofer there, and all set. It's a really simple setup. And she is done. Check this out. Everything is just clean, and there's already mud in the footwells because I did a dump run. It did amazing. And of course, the piece de resistance. Fucking sub. So now, oh, and of course, fire extinguisher, because it's probably going to catch on fire at some point. Look at that. Now I got a nice truck. Got some woofers and some tweeters. Banging stereo. Life's good. Also, I should really point out, I match the radio. Look at that.